One more. Nice, nice.
Nah, we are in the country for real. Like, look at all this land, though. Okay, this car moving. But right now we heading to Enemies Motorsports, man. Shout out Pete. He put on my lower downpipes for the Q50, but right now we about to put on the axle back exhaust. So today is gonna be the last day my car is actually quiet, but I'm actually interested in, you know, hearing what the car sounds like with a lower downpipe. So we're gonna see how it goes, man. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever I get there to film the process with you guys, man. And you know, give you guys some good content for today. So let's get right into today's video. All right, y'all, man, we made it, man. We made it to Enemies Motorsports. Finna get right, man. Finna get right with it. I ain't gonna lie, I did a lot of mods to this car within like the span of a week. I'm not gonna count. I'm not gonna count. But stay tuned for the next coming videos, because I do plan on buying some a heat exchanger and then going with a race box tune for the car. So I'm definitely excited about that as well. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it all in motion. We're gonna get it all in motion for you guys, man. All right, bet. I'm about to pull it around. Boom. Okay. Okay. All right. It's good. All right, man. Yeah, I know, right? Man, it was a drive though for sure.
You put over?
Nah.
I almost got put over, bro.
Yeah, they it's definitely you know, 12 is deep out here for real.
I was in the 1 lane road. And
Yeah.
You can like drive past them with your driving stuff.
Yeah.
I did that. I had like 20. And then the cop was on the other side driving towards me.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh.
he didn't do nothing. Like he's legal.
Can see there they go right there. It's crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna get the parts out real quick. How you been though?
I'm ready to hear this car.
Yeah, same, especially with the downpipes on here.
Yeah, bro. It's good to make downpipes and then.
Yeah, exactly. See, I had the plan, man. I had the plan.
What exhaust did you go over?
Just the axle back. I don't even know what it's called, honestly. Cause I just got it on they sold it on Amazon, so I just bought it real quick.
That's where I got my pipe from.
What, Amazon? Okay, yeah. So I decided I'm gonna get a heat exchanger,
Oh yeah.
and then I'm gonna tune it.
Did you DM me about the heat exchanger?
Say it again?
Did you DM me about the heat exchanger a while ago?
Nah, I don't think so.
I think because I'm parting out my Q
Okay.
and I have a BMS heat exchanger.
Okay, that's what I was looking for too.
BMS, it looks way better. It looks way better. Yeah, you can see it in my front. It's like kind of hanging out.
Yeah. Got you. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, it's been driven
Yeah.
miles, but it's also like.
Yeah, I'm sure it's, it's still gonna work.
Yeah,
That's supposed to, yeah.
The only thing is, I'm thinking of switching platforms.
Okay. To what?
Car. I can't tell you. So, I don't know.
I know it's gonna be JDM though.
JDM for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, I'll tell you. I'm in between like either R34
Woo!
or yeah, I want something all time.
Yeah.
I don't want to get super because everybody's like, oh, fucking super bandwagon.
Yeah.
But like,
Nah, R34 would be crazy though.
I saw one this weekend at Cafe.
Yeah, yeah. That's crazy. They sound so good too.
Like I pulled in with him, and it was just cool. Like a Q60 and an R34 pulling in like Cafe.
Yeah.
They were just taking pictures. They didn't get pictures of my shit.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So what would you like do to it, like as far as like mods and whatnot? Yeah.
Big turbo. I don't know.
Big turbo, okay.
I don't know. I mean, just the basic stuff. Like, I really just want to keep it clean. You know? Like,
Okay,
this
yeah.
stuff is rare as well.
Yeah, yeah. You put like a tome on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really know too much about like, you know, all the different price options, which one's best for our
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
there's like there's multiple different like variations. Like, you go to rest like Tome or like they make like Enemies Motorsports for it and all that.
Uh-huh.
But once you get into R34,
Ain't no going back after that. Man, I was so excited, man.
you can do like a regular like plug and play too, like a JB4 or something like that.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you're putting quality parts on your car. Like, I don't want you to risk, you know, damaging your turbo with JB4.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, man, go custom too, bro.
Might as well just spend that extra money to get that custom.
Yeah. It's better too because then like it increases like, you know, getting a custom tune, you know, is a lot better than getting a plug and play tune, you know.
Yeah.
Because then you can get like more higher horsepower numbers.
Yeah, I heard Racebox was like the best one.
Racebox is really good. Sonic Tune is very good for Infinity.
Sonic Tune, okay. I gotta look into that one.
It's more or less just like personal preference. Whether you want Sonic or Racebox. They're both kind of the same.
Yeah.
They're both really good tunes. Do you know if that came with new gaskets?
Yeah, it did.
Let's see. Okay. The hardware,
Man, this red sport clean, man. That red sport tough. I gotta get the sequentials next, man. I gotta get the sequentials. I gotta get those. Gots to get them. Alright, man. First start. Sound pretty good, man. Gotta give it a couple revs. Yeah.
got you.
Appreciate it.
Sounds good.
One more. Nice. Nice.
Okay, cool.
So you
cool,
should
cool.
you should
okay.
have it. Hey Pete, you got an air compressor in here I can fill my tires up with?
This thing sounds so good. Hey man, this is tough. This is tough, bro. This is so tough. Hey. Oh my God, bro. Hey man. I appreciate you, Pete.
Yes, sir, bro.
Appreciate
Anytime,
it, bro. Hey, shout out your shop though.
Oh yeah, it's Enemies Motorsports, bro. If you need any VQ or VR work, bro, let us know.
Definitely. And what's your IG?
Enemies Motorsports.
Bet. All right.